we're going to Asakusa Sensoji Temple and Akihabara. Look at our feet. Balot na balot kasi malamig today. Show them your feet. This is sweater. We're both just wearing sweaters. Okay guys, see you later. Bye! We're in the temple na. Konti pa lang yung tao. Kita mo yan, dapat may mga pagkain yan. Pero maaga kasi natin. So wala pang pagkain, hindi tayo maka-food trip. We're gonna do fortune. Tama ba itong ginagawa? I got number 15.
Where's 15?
15's here. Bad fortune!
Then hang it.
Okay, your turn.
I don't have a coin. Tapos, tika.
Shake it.
Shake it box for a few times.
It's hard, right? What number do you get?
Let's see, 9. Alright, do I put it back?
Yes. Anything.
Ay,
Hindi mo makuha.
tumitigas din yung kamay ko. Ah!
Best fortune! Yeah! Best fortune! Nice!
You try to reach me. Ah, no. Wait. The trick is alright.
Yay!
Bring this up.
I'm gonna tie mine because I have bad fortune. It's okay.
What do you say? What are you doing?
I'm tying it because I have bad fortune. So that maiwan lang siya dito yung bad fortune. The foods are open!
Time for snacks. No, those are not snacks, bro. Those are charms.
Mukhang pagkain talaga. So tall, guys. Good thing we came early. Lang masyadong tao. Picture. Fit check. Balot na na balot for today. Kasi ang lamig today. Di pa to akin. Di din to akin. Sponsored by JR. Hey guys, so we bought charms. Show them your charms, baby.
I got a good fortune.
No, that's money.
Good fortune.
Isn't that money?
Good fortune.
Oh. I got money. I hope I get lots of money. And relationship with love.
Relationship with love. Of course, we had to. Had the green. Emerald green.
So cute. And then one more. I got one more. How many did you get?
Oh, just two.
Just two. And this one. Ano to? Wish? Wishes come true.
Charm.
Charm. Damihin mo na habang nandito ka. Gusto kong yumaman at nakatotoo yung wish ko. Na yumaman. Ayoko na mag-work, guys. Ayoko na ako mag-work. Hindi naman ako ng bahay.
Careful what you wish for.
Malay mo magkatotoo. Uy!
This was 300 yen. That's 700.
Okay, next time, let's use your 1K.
1K dito parang barya lang.
You good?
Rice bowl na ano?
No rice bowl.
Rice ball. Bowl. Yan may... Anong sauce ba to?
Sweet soy sauce. Rate it.
5.
Lasa siyang... Nung una, parang lasa siyang tempura. Pero pag tumatagal, parang naging soft na siya. Yung chewy.
Nasang soy.
This is rice though. Base. Ang imik.
Masarap. Ang tagal lang sa akin. Gusto ko na i-try.
Ano ba sa'yo?
Yung squid nga.
Baby kagay ko. Baby Castella with chocolate.
Chocolate syrup.
Syrup. Can I try? Pero ang sarap nila.
May mga kabayan.
Ano?
Ito likod.
After waiting for how many minutes, he finally got what he wanted.
Your
Ano tawag nito?
squid. Purple squid.
Magkano siya?
1,000 yen.
Sheesh, mahal. Sarap.
$10.
Sarap naman.
Yeah, it's good.
How would you rate it out of 10?
7.
7 out of 10. This is our
Lasang sunog siya eh.
This is our 4th food. Wow, yummy.
But squid is always good.
Hi guys, dito kami sa Akihabara. Ang daming figurines and other stuff. JR's looking for a Gundam, I think. Ako kung ano ko lang mabili ko. Oh, si ano. Mura dito ah.
Mura nga. Pero wala yung mga hinahanap ko.
Gusto ko ng chibi lang. Ganito lang, maliit lang.
Ito.
Sobrang... Pero gusto ko yung cute though. Orte. Si cute pa! Hey guys, we're still in Akihabara. He's still looking for his Gundam. Mas madami pa ata akong nabili.
Wala pa akong gamit yan.
Oo, wala pa siyang nabili dyan. Akin yung brown na box na yan. Puro mga pasalubong yung iba. And we're eating right now. Time out muna. That looks so good.
Sakit ang dami.
Yeah. Kahanap pa kami ng coin locker. Bigat na na. How is it? Hi guys, we're back here again. It's a Korean restaurant near our hotel. Today, we just came from Akihabara.
Pagod yung wallet.
This guy spent a lot of money. Okay lang yan. Pero maaga kami umuwi today. It's only 6:20 p.m. And he's trying the beer here. This is your second beer, right? You had one for lunch. Dito ulit kami sa Korean restaurant sa pwesto namin. We're in our regular spot. And behind,
Ang dami.
right there, there's like a luggage there. And a bag. Yun yung mga binili namin.
Sarap ng beer nila.
What do you mean?
Para lang siyang soft drink.
Really? Try nga.
Wala siyang...
Ayoko yung...
Hindi, wala siyang foul taste.
Pero ayoko na amoy ng beer.
Hindi nga ito, malakas yung beer niya. Ay, amoy.
Yung beer yan.
Put that on my mama, on my hood.